Hey there, mystery enthusiasts! Ever wondered what lies beneath the mysterious waters of the Bermuda Triangle? Buckle up, because in the next 2 minutes, we're diving deep into the enigma that has puzzled experts for decades. Stretching from Miami to Bermuda and down to Puerto Rico, the Bermuda Triangle has been the center of countless unexplained disappearances. Ships vanish without a trace, planes disappear from radar. But what's really going on here? Some believe it's all about magnetic anomalies. The compass goes haywire and navigation becomes a nightmare. Others point to methane hydrates. Imagine massive gas bubbles rising to the surface, sinking vessels in seconds. Then, there's the theory of rogue waves. These colossal waves, over 100 feet tall, could obliterate anything in their path. And of course, who can forget the wildest of all theories, extraterrestrial activity? That's right, aliens. But let's not forget the human element. Human error, piracy, and even insurance fraud have been thrown into the mix. Now let me tell you about the most famous case, Flight 19. In 1945, 5 Navy bombers vanished without a trace while on a training mission. The rescue plane sent after them, it vanished too. Can you imagine the terror those pilots must have felt? So, what's the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle? Maybe it's a combination of all these factors. Or perhaps it's something we haven't even discovered yet. One thing's for sure. The Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate our imaginations, and as long as it remains unsolved, it will keep drawing us back into its depths. Thanks for joining me on this mysterious journey. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more spine-chilling mysteries. Until next time, keep your compass steady and your curiosity sharper.